Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is me, Brandon Wynn, and my younger brother, Brian Wynn, here for Critical Failure. This is actually a video on, like I think I said a couple videos back or more, we're going to be doing a rolling his stats for his character. We're not going to go through and do all the big stuff yet. I'm going to make sure to get all that first, but hold on, let me see that. This is the Baldur's Gate dice set. It comes with 11 dice in total, so, and a couple maps and stuff, so it's pretty cool. And my brother's kind of not used to this, so he barely agreed to do this video. So
no, I agreed.
I said barely agreed. So he's going to be rolling the 2d20s, which I'm going to be taking out, and he's going to be rolling basically with advantage. I'm going to set this up over here. He already has his name, so say your character's name.
Ether.
It's Ether. I say Aether. But you're playing an elf, correct? A wood elf?
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right, and he already has a pencil and everything. So I'm going to try and position this to where I can actually get a good look at his dice rolls. So you're going to be rolling into this right here, all right? So let me tilt this down. So here's the dice set thing to where you can roll for yourself. I got a 17 and 2. So I'm going to zoom specifically in for that. So I'm going to just go ahead and let you roll. Were you going to say that there's a way to turn this around while filming? Because I don't know.
No, I was saying because you could barely see.
Yeah, I know that. So he's going to roll. So I want to say that I know for a fact in a video I said he was going to get a natural 20. You got 12 and a 20.
That's like the exact same, almost the exact same numbers I had the last time.
Yeah, we just forgot your numbers and never wrote them down. But he's got a natural 20, so go ahead and write the 20 right there. I'll show you guys the dice right there. It's a 20 and a 12. So he's already starting off good. So 20.
I wonder how that will last.
All right, do it again. He's probably going to do it again.
No. I got 15 and 3, so that's a 15.
Yeah, they're not cocked. So 15 and 3.
So just put 15.
Just go next to it, write 15. Yeah. You choose which ones you want, of course. And I didn't show this one, but I'm going to do it again for the next one. He's got a 16 and 2. As you guys can see, 16 and 2. I think you guys can see, I'm hoping.
Selfie stick.
Okay, you got 3 more to go. Oh, 7 and 2. All right. 7 and 2.
Wow. See?
All right.
Already running out.
I doubt that.
Oh,
20 and 15.
Another 20.
Okay. 20. See, for you, I might just make you actually keep that low stat because you got some really good stats. 16 and 10.
That's it.
I'll show that one. 16 and 10. Well, you get one more roll.
I mean, that was the last one.
Well, we do 7, so you get to basically replace the stat. 2 and 19. So you can replace that 7 with a 19 if you'd like. Replace that 7. Just erase 7 and write 19. All right. So he's rolled for his stats. I'm going to go back through. And you're playing a Fighter Barbarian, so I'm going to help you make your stats up here, okay? So you see you got a +2 to dexterity, +1 to wisdom, okay? So you got a 19, you got a 16, you got 2 16s, a 15, and 2 20s. You're obviously going to need to put a strength as a 20. I'd say don't waste this 19, so put...
For wisdom?
Yeah, put the wisdom there.
It's for 16.
Put your constitution at a 20.
Okay, 20, okay.
Your dexterity could be 18, so 16. Charisma could be a 15, and intelligence could be a 16. That's what I say.
So 20.
20 plus 5. Put a +5 right there. Dexterity would be 18 because you're using one of the 16s.
So you want to put
18
right here?
Yeah, because that's what the +2 is for. So put +4. Erase one of the 20s and one of the 6. No, erase it. Like actually erase it. Oh. Yeah, because you don't need those anymore. And then erase one of the 16s. Okay. Constitution 20.
It's been a while since I did this.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm helping you through. Erase a 20. Because I know that we're trying to fluff your stats up for this. Intelligence. That's between 15 and 16 for you. They're basically interchangeable for your character. It doesn't really matter. Alright, so you wrote 15. Erase. Then that one's 19, so wisdom would be 20.
I thought you told me not to put a 19 here.
No, I said don't waste the 19, so make it that one of 20.
Right here?
Yeah, because it's a +1. So subtract the 19. And that's a +5. That's a +5. And 15 is a +2. Yeah, and then that's 16, which is a +3. Alright, now erase the sides right there, with the numbers on the sides. Yeah, remember to make them very legible. Do that one. Alright, and we're starting off at level 1. So class, I would write Barbarian, put bar, / just no, it's fine. Just put bar, / fight. No, that's fine. In no case, it's fine. I'm just trying to help you get it to where you can
I'm trying to make it
background, put custom. Player name Thorn. Race, your wood elf, just put W/elf. Okay, and that's all you need for that right there. Okay, so you get 2 proficiency bonuses, and then I forgot how to Gestalt, so I'm just going to give you 2 proficiency bonuses, and then I forgot how to do proficiency.
So for like dexterity, I put it like a 4. For acrobatics, I put a 4.
So hold on.
That's
you choose 2 of these right here at random, right? Or these right here. Mm-hmm. You get specific ones from your class. I forgot how Gestalt works specifically. I think you get all the skills from your class. I think. I'm not too sure, so that's why I'm saying just do 2. Ed knows how to do it. So I'm going to say just get 2 at random that you like. If they are covered through the Gestalt, you're going to be able to get another one. So just go ahead and choose 2 that you like, and then we're going to write your proficiency bonus. So write your proficiency bonus as a 2. Okay. And then just choose 2 of the circles that you like out of them all. Like, that you think your character will use out of them all. I'm going to put up my Descent into Avernus dice. Yeah, remember, you're trying to do it based off of your character.
I don't really put much on my character, to be honest. But
you've had like 6 months to think about it.
I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't really thinking about it at the time.
So
Fuck it. I'll just do nature.
Okay. Okay.
He's a wood elf.
And then what else do you think you would like?
Acrobatics.
Okay.
Yeah.
Acrobatics is dexterity based. Okay. So you're going to put see how it's dexterity?
4.
No, you're going to put 6 because the circle means that you're proficient.
Okay.
So put +6.
Right.
And then that one is intelligence. Your intelligence is a
+4.
+2, so it's a +4. Now I'm saying not to fill that in yet. Your initiative is based off of your dexterity, so it's +4. And then your AC modifier is based off of 8 plus your dexterity plus your con, if I'm correct. So it might be 19. I think. No, it's not 19.
So you said 8 plus my dex.
I don't remember. I haven't looked it up yet. That's going to be later when we actually go through and you're going to write it.
What about that inspiration?
Inspiration, that's for inspiration die. Hit dice. It's actually, you don't even need that. You get the D12, so 12 plus your constitution, meaning that you have 17 hit points. So what you're going to do is your maximum hit points, you're going to put 17. And then for your hit dice, you're going to put D12. And yeah, that's all we're doing for right now. Because
So that means that if I hit that's over 17, I die.
you go unconscious. I do unconscious.
Well, yeah, unconscious.
Yeah, you're going to go unconscious, and then if they go double your health, then you die. That's what that does.
That's what I thought.
Thank you for rolling your character. Once I get Ed to help me with this, I'm going to finish your character up. We can do all the stats later, and then what we're gonna do is
I always hated this.
What we're gonna do, your features and traits, your feats and stuff, and your background knowledge. I'm gonna have you write it verbatim, meaning word for word, on a different piece of paper. So you're gonna have all the abilities with this, just not written on this because this is too small for it. Because you got 2 character classes that you have to write on. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be a lot. So. Yeah, it's going to be a lot. And you like the character, so. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Brandon Wynn. Please leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below what you guys would like to see us. We're going to definitely be doing a second part of this video for finishing the character off. Again, this is my brother, Bryan. See you guys in the next video. See you.